Hello, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to try a Vedic maths trick for rapid division, that is any number divided by 2, 5 and 9. Let's start one by one. Let's try any number divided by 2. So I've taken a few numbers divided by 2. You have to just half the number. Half of 2 is 1, half of 6 is 3. Half of 8 is 4. Half of 5 is 2.5. Whenever I have a decimal place, I'm going to put 1 to the next number. So I'll just write 2, the number before the decimal place. Half of 12 is 6. Half of 6 is 3. Half of 2 is 1. Half of 9 is 4.5. I'll just write the 4. That 0.1, I'm going to take it to the next number. Half of 17 is 8.5. So I'm going to take 8 as it is. I don't have any number after that, so I'm going to just put point and then 5. Only when I have the number in the end, that will be 0.5. Other than that, you will take it as a carryover. Half of 5 is 2.5. I'll just write 2 and put 1 on to the next number. Half of 14 is 7. Half of 8 is 4. Half of 6 is 3. Half of 2 is 1. Half of 3 is 1.5. It's the last number, so take 1.5 as it is. Now let's try division of any number with 5. Division of any number with 5, we have to double the number and put the decimal place, leaving one digit from the right side. When I double 62, it will be 124. Now you have to put the decimal after one place from the right side. Now if I have to double this, it will be 154. Put a decimal place after that. Double of 2692. Double of 2 is 4. Double of 9 is 18. Double of 6 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. Double of 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Put a decimal place after the place from the right side. Now, double of 3 is 6. Double of 8 is 16. Double of 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Double of 1 is 2. Double of 1 is 2. So this will be my answer. Now let's try division of any number with 9. 91 divided by 9. Take this 9 as it is. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10 we have to further divide it by 9. So when I divide 10 by 9, again 1 I'm going to take it as it is. 1 plus 0 is 1 again. So I'm going to take this to this side. So 9 plus 1 will be 10. So my quotient will be 10 and the remainder will be 1. So my answer will be 10.11. Let's try 129 divided by 9. Take 1 as it is. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 I have to further divide by 9. So 1 will come down as it is. 1 plus 2 is 3. So then this is 13. 13 plus 1 would be 14. My quotient will be 14 and the remainder will be 3. So then the answer to this question will be 14.33. Let's try the next question. Take the 6 down as it is. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 is larger than 9. So divide that by 9 again. So before that, just balance this. It will be 692. Now divide this by 9. 2 will come down as it is. 2 plus 0 is 2 again. Add 2 to this back again. So the quotient to this question will be 692 plus 2, which will be 694. And then the remainder is 2. So then my final answer to this question will be 694.22. The next question, 26,453 divided by 9. Take this 2 as it is. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. Again, 20 is larger than 9. So divide that by 9. So before you divide, you have to balance this. So when you balance this, this will be 2, 9, 3, 7. And this 20, when I divide, it will be 2 come down as it is and 2. You have to add 2 to this. So then your quotient will be 2, 9, 3, 7 plus 2 is 9. And the remainder is 2. So then your final answer will be 2939.22. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, please do subscribe to my channel and support me. See you all in my next video. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.